Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandipaa. Welcome all to my YouTube channel Homeopath. In my channel, I will be discussing subjects regarding how to practice homeopathy in a classical way and how to get the patient cured by his disease so that he will be very happy to lead the life. So this is one of the important focus of every homeopathic student, physician and the practitioner. The basic requirement to cure any patient is simillimum. So simillimum in itself is so wider, it is a very important term to understand that what exactly the simillimum is. So simillimum, in other words, we can tell as totality of symptoms. Everybody knows that. But to find the simillimum to each individual patient is a challenge. Let it be a simple fever or let it be a cancer. The effort, the intelligence, the awareness, the observation, the listening capacity, all are to be enhanced, and they are the key factors to find the simillimum. To find the simillimum, we must also have the knowledge of how to take the case. So I have already done one or two videos how to take the case. If you have not seen that videos, please see those videos, friends. So simillimum is not just taking note of the symptoms mechanically or gathering all the symptoms given by the patient. Here, simillimum is something superior because this has been understood by different homeopathic physicians differently, but their goal is to come to the simillimum. The simillimum, if you want to reach the mind aspect, the body aspect and the spiritual being aspect, all are to be taken into consideration. It's not just the totality of symptoms of the body, of the mind. It is an aggregation of all the feelings, all the delusions, all the fears, all the aversions, all the hypersensitivities. And even if you miss a single point, there is a possibility that you will not reach the simillimum. And another aspect where simillimum is to be looked into is miasms. So this is the main factor wherein the key to cure is established, because we come to the totality of the medicines, but the medicines are not capable of altering the state of disease to health, simply because the miasmatic aspect is totally neglected by young homeopathic physician and the practitioners. Due to that reason, the totality is not reached, and the main factor, that is miasm, is not being reached by your simillimum. So if you consider simillimum, all these aspects to be taken into consideration. That is mind aspect, body aspect, spiritual aspect, miasm aspect, and Finally, potency is also very important if you want to cure the patient, because potency plays a role in homeopathy and in a sick individual also, simply because a pathology is developed in the body. If you go on giving higher potencies, the medicine indicated may not act, simply because you are lacking the understanding of pathology. So here what I wanted to make you understand is, it is not just aggregation of symptoms and finding the simillimum. It is the totality of the patient in his all his life events. How he responds, how he sees the life, how his attitude towards the disease, how he is in the family, what is the aversion, what is the desires, what is the cravings, what he does in his free time, what his hobbies are, what his habits are, how he sits, how he looks, how he studies, what is his way of studying, and in which area of his life is more accelerated, and where his mind always rotates, where his mind always concentrates, what is his mind features. So this is all together we can come to the simillimum. So simillimum we can talk hours together, simply because every individual patient has his individuality. So that is the important thing a homeopathic physician should understand. So if you take simillimum of one individual, it is totally different for the another individual. You can call individuality of the patient also. Simillimum is nothing but individuality of the patient, which is very specific, very pinpointed, very much his presentation is simillimum. So in each individual patient, homeopathic physician is looking for that simillimum, for his individuality, for his gene manifestations, what he is, how he responds to the stimulus. So this is all, if you can understand and give a patient the required simillimum, then it is possible that miracles will happen. Homeopathy is always known for its miracles. So in acute and in chronic diseases, a simillimum given will do always miracle. So this is all I wanted to talk about simillimum, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. In future also I will be doing such videos. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. If you are interested in any of the topics of homeopathy, please put in the comment section. I will do videos on those subjects also, friends. This is all today in this session, friends. Thank you and take care.